In this video, we're going to talk about 5.1 Objective 1, where we identify and explain basic aspects of the normal distribution. So when referring to a normal distribution, what does the word normal have? Does the word normal have the same meaning as it does in ordinary usage? And explain. The word normal has a special meaning in statistics. It refers to a specific category of distributions that are symmetric and bell-shaped with a single peak. The peak corresponds to the mean, median, and mode of such a distribution. That was option A. What does the area under the normal distribution curve represent? And what is the total area under the normal distribution curve? So the area that lies under the normal distribution curve corresponds to a range of values on the horizontal axis and is total relative frequency of those values. Because the total relative frequency of all values must be 1 or 100%, the total area under the normal distribution curve must equal 1 or 100%. And we use this area to help us find the probability of events happening. They're not using the word probability there, they're using the word relative frequency, but this is a main way in statistics in which we calculate the probability of an event in a normal situation like that. Okay, briefly describe the 4 conditions under which we can expect a data set to have a nearly normal distribution, and give an example of a set of data that might be approximated by the normal distribution. So first condition, larger derivations from the mean become increasingly rare, producing the tapering tails of the distribution. And then we see data values are spread evenly around the mean, making the distribution symmetric. Most data values are clustered near the mean, giving the distribution a well-defined single peak, and individual data values result from a combination of many different factors, such as genetic and environmental factors would be an example there of a set of data that might be approximated by the normal distribution. All right, and then give an example of a set of data that might be approximated by the normal distribution, things like heights of adult human males, and the outcomes of a 6-sided die should be uniform. So that's not going to be normal. Winning lottery numbers in a game in which digits between 0 and 9 are drawn, the digits can be repeated. That's not going to be normal. That's going to be skewed. It's going to have a shape like that. And the delay times at a certain airport in New England during the winter, that's not going to be normal, because it's going to be more of the data is going to be over there, because we would expect more delays. All right. And that's it. We'll come back next time and talk about 5.1 Objective 2. See you for the next video.